The first thing I want to point out is the use of day, which we've been seeing since day one. We know this means from or of, because I say it when I say soy de Philadelphia. I'm from Philadelphia. I also say it when I'm talking about the relationship between my family members. So I said things like Eddie es el hermano de Thomas. So in this case, it's of. He's the brother of Thomas. And we saw it many more times. We saw it in the dates. We've seen it over and over again. It's one of the most common words that pops up all over the place. And it's going to pop up in food, of course. So we're going to see it in a couple different ways with food. And I want to point them out. This is going to help you understand a little bit better the names of dishes and the names of restaurants. So if I look at the menu from your book, I see this up here, orden de tres, where it's pretty straightforward. It's an order of 3. Of 3. And then I also see it below. And I see it listed in the actual dish. And this is where it gets a little blurry. I'll have 2 examples. Sorry, 3 examples. I have pastor de puerco. So it's under tacos. It must be a type of taco. Pastor, tacos al pastor. Okay, I've heard that before, but what is de puerco? So this is when we were talking about the main ingredient in a dish. I'm going to show you a couple examples. Everybody knows what a fajita is, hopefully. There's many different types of fajitas. There's fajitas de pollo, chicken fajitas. There's fajitas de res, which is beef fajitas, or de camarón, which is shrimp fajitas. And you'll see all of these examples in my menu too, because they're 3 very common choices. When you're talking about the main ingredient of a dish, you're going to use de, because the dish is made from or of that ingredient. You might have more than one, maybe spaghetti and meatballs, something like that. But typically it's the one main thing. And then there's going to be another option where you have con. And we haven't seen con nearly as much as we've seen de. Con means with. So this is going to be used when you're talking about, okay, I have pasta, but I have 1 piece of garlic bread on the side. It's with garlic bread, but garlic bread is not the main ingredient in my dish. And this is where it gets a little tricky, because it could go either way. It's kind of, they're going to express 2 different ideas. If I say chicken with pasta and chicken of pasta, I'm sorry, pasta of chicken and pasta with chicken, it's going to express 2 different ideas. You know, one of them I'm expecting the pasta to be made from chicken, and the other one I'm expecting some chicken in a large bowl of pasta.